Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. So we have the square root of 1 minus s over 2 to the power of 2 in here. Later that we do first the derivative of s over 2 in here. So this one we have 1 over 2. Next, s over 2 to the power of 2, we have s squared over 4. Now, we multiply by number 2 on numerator and denominator. So this one, we have number 1. About number 2, go inside the square root. So we have number 4 in here. So number 4 multiplied by number 1 and s squared over 4. So we have 4 minus s squared. Now we go back in here. So this one we change by u. The s over the square root of 4 minus s squared we change by du. The integration of u, we have u squared over 2 and we put about c. We simplify number 2. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.